Phaltan plant is really good setup from Jakson. I have been visited all the plants, storage area, everything. It's really been nice setup.
Jakson, in terms of commitment, which we found, and responsibility and timely availability of those the main key factors. Approachability, that's a major key factor for the any projects, and which we found Jakson are exceeding in those areas.
Great facility, great hospitality, and I must say that you have a great thing coming up.
Beautiful experience. The Jakson Inn is a beautiful hotel. The kind of courtesy the team is giving us, and now we are here in Phaltan, and there's a beautiful plant. The team has created a beautiful infrastructure, and really appreciable for the team and the Jakson management.